Hi guys, it's Jane here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Cherryz haul. This was kindly gifted to me. If you're interested, if you've seen Cherryz before, they have a lovely app that you can buy all your favourite stuff. So if you like shopping in like home bargains and Poundland sort of things, you can actually buy this stuff online and you can get it for a really affordable price. So for my followers at the moment, we have a discount code. So the code is JAL30. I'll leave it on the screen. You can use it for your first purchase at Cherryz and you can use it at checkout to get 30% off. So yeah, use that code if you're interested. I'll leave all the details in the description below. So my haul is £30. Thank you to Cherryz for giving me the opportunity to obviously recommend their brand. Yeah, let's get into this haul. So guys, the box is so big that I can't even pick it up to show you. The guy that delivered it was like, this box is super heavy. So yeah, let's have a look. So guys, these were £2.50. I can actually smell them from here. They literally smell like lemon. They were a pack of 9 toilet rolls, which I think is an absolute bargain. They feel quite nice as well. And like I said, I can smell the lemon fresh from here. And they're actually in a sealed packet, so £2.50 for those. They're amazing. I might actually, because of the cost of everything's going up at the minute, I mean, I normally just get mine like Andrex from Tesco's, which is really kind of expensive. I might get own brand if I can, just depending on what's the cheapest. These are like super priced, so I might start getting them from Cherryz from now on, because I think you can actually buy these in home bargains as well, but I haven't seen the lemon fresh flavour I say. But yeah, they are £2.50. Right, for £1.09 I did pick up this big packet of Splash Soft on Nature. This is a 3-ply sort of kitchen roll. It's a super huge size, a little bit like your Blitz sort of sizes. But not only that, it is actually plastic free. It's obviously really good for the environment, and yeah, it's zero emission and it's in-home compostable packaging. So you can actually pop it in your compost bin and probably get rid of it that way. Yeah, it actually says home compost. So I'm really glad to see packets now that are ditching the plastic. They're putting stuff in paper which can be recycled, and obviously in this sort of it feels like plastic but it isn't, in this sort of packaging that can be recycled quite easily. And it was only £1.09, which I thought was an absolute bargain. These sort of big ones last ages. So right guys, these were £1 each. I got some Space Raiders, so I've got the beef ones and the pickled onion ones as well. They're £1. I think they're on par with like home bargains anyway. So for £1 as well, I did pick up a utility lighter. These are really good for like lighting candles if your burner's not working and you need to sort of need a bit of a length, you don't want to burn your fingers. We have a couple of these hanging around. I think one of them just ran out, that's why I needed to get another one. But yeah, they're pretty handy. As I say, they were only £1 each. So for £2 I actually picked up a new salt grinder. We needed another one. This is the coarse sea salt grinder. They last absolutely ages, but like I said, ours has just ran out, but we've had it for months. So for £1.50 I did pick up some lint rollers. This comes with one handle and then 2 replacements. Obviously with pets and stuff you kind of need to sort of lint your clothes down quite regularly, so I did get a pack of those. Right, for £2.95 I picked up this huge bag of Astonish all-in-one. These were really good value. There were 42 in a packet. Like I said, they were £2.95. I think they're absolutely brilliant. They are actually vegan as well. It's a shame that the packaging is plastic, so they're not quite up to speed with recycling and stuff, but obviously value for money wise they are really good. But yeah, I thought they would look brilliant. They lemon fresh as well, so I thought they were great, so I got those too. So for £2.50 each I actually got £5 in total. I got some oven mitts. Ours are looking a little bit crusty. I got them a long time ago. I think I actually made a video on my old ones. I think it must be at least 2 years old, but they start, when you get food on them and stuff, you try and wash them and they get burnt and stuff. So I got another pair. I'm going to ditch the other ones. I got another pair of grey ones. So yeah, they were £2.50 each, which I thought was pretty good. Yeah, really good value for money. So yeah, £5 for 2. So for £1.75 I actually picked up 2 of these Oatly baristas. This is my go-to for making coffee. I generally sort of whisk up milk in a whisker and then I put a coffee in my pod in my machine and I make my own latte using oat milk. I generally don't have cow's milk. It doesn't sit well with my stomach. So yeah, I've been having Oatly for wow a long time. I've been having Oatly now for quite a long time, probably well over a year now. I absolutely love the Oatly Barista, so I got 2 lots of those, and they were on they were £1.75. If you go and buy them from like Co-op or anything like that, you'll pay £2, so nice little saving there as well. So these were 50p each. I got 6. These are the Oat Burst. These are really good and handy if you in a rush or trying to get to work or whatever, you just want to take something on the go and you're going to eat it while you're at work or whatever. So I got 6 of those. They were great value as well. These were £1 as well, so I got some Skinny Whip, 99 calories for these. These do have milk in them, but as long as I limit my sort of intake of milk, it isn't too bad. But yeah, these are guilt-free, so I might actually have a little snack on one of these shortly. So they were £1. Right, for £2 I got these Dishmatic refills. You actually get 6 in there, which is really handy. Yeah, I actually thought it was only 3, but yeah, it is for £2, so I got a pack of those. So for £1.25 I got a pack of 4 perfectly clear strawberry flavoured water, which I thought was ideal. Brilliant for lunch boxes if you've got kids and they like flavoured water. And guys, these were only £1, a 6-pack of Elm Spring refreshing honest water in still. So it was actually bottled in the UK. So yeah, 6-pack for £1. Oh my god, that is super cheap. These sort of bottles is what's made the parcel quite heavy. Right, so that's everything for the Cherryz haul. I'll leave all the details below and the discount code as well. So that's it, guys. I will see you all in the next video. See you guys. Bye.